So in the second video, I'm going to have a look at how we can calculate various expected values. So for the following probability distribution, find e of x, so that's just the normal expected value, e of x squared, and e of 2x plus 4. You can see I've drawn up the table here, so that's the information that we're given already. I'm going to add in the other bits of information though. So we've got x just normally there. We also want to have x squared and we want to have 2x plus 4. So I'm just going to write them up here. So we've got x squared and we've got 2x plus 4. I'm just going to fill this in. So x squared, we're going to have 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. And for 2x plus 4, well, 2 times x would be 0 and then plus 4 gives 4. 2 times 1 would be 2 and then plus 4 makes 6. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4 more makes 8. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4 more makes 10. And 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4 more makes 12. So in a question like this, those are going to be the first things you have to do. So to start off with, we'll do the first one, the expected value. So that's just done by multiplying the x with its probability. So we've got 0 times 0.2 plus 1 times 0.3 plus 2 times 0.1 plus 3 times 0.1 and then plus 4 times 0.3. And we evaluate that. Well, that first part's just gone. We've got 1 times 0.3, which is 0.3. We've got 2 times 0.1, which is 0.2. We've got 3 times 0.1, which is 0.3. And we've got 4 times 0.3, which is 1.2. And so adding those together, what have we got? We've got 0.6, 0.8, so we've just ended up with 2. So 2 would be the expected value there. To do part B, we're doing the expected value for the x squared distribution. So now I'm focusing on this row here. Okay, so I'm going to do 0 times 0.2. So starting out much the same as the last bit. Then I'm going to have 1 times 0.3. I'm going to then have 4 times 0.1. And 9 times 0.1. And 16 times 0.4. So again, that first term there disappears. We're left with 1 times 0.3, which is just 0.3. And 0.4 and 0.9 and 16 times 0.4 is going to be 6.4. So adding those together, what have we got? 7.3, 7.7, so we've got 8. Gee, these have worked out nicely so far. It's kind of nice when you just make up some numbers and have it all work out like that. So the last part, we have to do e of 2x plus 4. Or the expected value for the 2x plus 4 distribution. So if I remember correctly, it's going to be 4 times 0.2 plus 6 times 0.3 plus 8 times 0.1 plus 10 times 0.1 and then plus 12 times 0.3. Just scroll back up and check that that was correct. Yep, that's all good. Okay, so, well, the first term isn't disappearing this time, so 4 times 0.2 is 0.8 plus 6 times 0.3 is 1.8 plus 0.8 plus, well, 10 times 0.1 is just 1. And then plus 12 times 0.3 is 3.6. So we've got 3.6, 4.6, 5.4, 6.2, and then, well, it's going to be 8 again. Quite nice. Wasn't expecting that to happen. Anyway, that's really all there is to it. That's the expected value. In the next video, we'll have a look at the variance and then potentially the standard deviation after that. We'll see you then.